I want to show the girls them a thing. I want to show the girls them mostly a little thing where me as a veteran and a big man thing me I deal with. You want sound what the girl them love make. And the man them love it too. As any little thing, all of the big artists them, all of the big DJ them on stage with the whole heap of audience them, you hear them now? Baby! And them girlfriend them I call baby. Well watch her, no problem. You see, I, Chinaman the veteran, my girlfriend cannot be my baby. My baby is my son and my daughter them. You hear? My girlfriend is my honey or my sweetie. Remember that. I just that more show the item as a veteran in the business, Mr. Man might think different, you know. Me enough girls see me in the street and I shout baby. I know me them attack. Me look like baby to you. My baby and my son and my daughter them. My girl is my honey. Check that. Veteran TV. Logics. Metrics. Ha! Tricks. This is not. This is fact. Don't baby, my man. Baby, a bum book school. Honey. That is me. My girl, call me honey. Please. You hear that? Cause you are my sweetie. Clever.